Hello, welcome back to the channel. Can I put up this IKEA Cullen chest of drawers up in half an hour, 30 minutes? I've got a clock back there, it's 5 o'clock. Let's see if I can get this done by 5:30. This is what it looks like once it's put up, but I don't know if I can do that in half an hour, so that's the challenge with this video. Precious instructions. This is the Dad Delivers vlog. It's where we try to do something new every single day, and today I'm going to try and put up an IKEA thing in under half an hour. That has never happened. We're going to be using this as a bedside cabinet, a bedside table for my son's bedroom. We put a new IKEA bed, the Needham bed. A link to that is in the description and up above, but let's get through this first. Here's the precious bag of bits. Oh no, there's nails in here. I've got to do nails. I think these are drawer runners, so I need to put these in, 4 of these in. I need a screwdriver now. These are dowels that have to go into these pieces. Okay, I'm 10 minutes in already, so I've already lost a third of my time just doing the first 2 things. This is a regular thing, trying to get the dowels to line up on an IKEA thing. I never managed to do it right. And then you get the bolts and the Allen key, and we'll put these screws in the side. I need to put 4 of these things down. Ah, damn it, I put them in the wrong hole. Right, I'm over halfway through for time. It's 5:15, got under half the time left. I've got to hold those bolts in place with these. How can you tell? Oh, that's clever. Okay, so you put that on, and they've given you a little nail holder, so you hold the nail with this. Oh right, so this helps you to distance the nail. So you put the nail in here. I'm going to wing it without the holder now. I feel like I should be getting them in with like 2 hits. That's the family coming back. The dog is going to run straight through this. I've got 1 minute remaining. And then we put this side on. That's half an hour. I'm giving myself 5-minute time bonus for not having the screwdriver. So leave a comment if you think I deserve another 5 minutes. Let's watch out, because there's usually bits of sawdust in there that stops them biting. And then I slide the baseboard in, make sure the white side is up. And they hold on with these plastic things. I love these, you get to really hammer them. Can't see my hammering face. Ah, oh, fantastic! So we're at the end, we've done it! All they do is slide in, so there's no complicated mechanism. He says. The Cullen 2-drawer side chest of drawers with 2 drawers. Did it, and there's proof at 5 minutes sort of. I'm calling that a win. I don't care. That was half an hour. So this is what they look like, and yeah, like I say, the drawers are a bit stiff to pull out at first, but I'm sure that will wear down over time. There's just one thing here. I'm sure I'll watch over the footage. Can you see this bump here, which looks like, oh no, was that my hammering? Oh, it might have been my hammering. That is why you should use the hammering tool. I went for it. That's a shame. Okay, that was my fault. Usually I damage it by over screwing and just going too far in. Hopefully my son won't notice. Please don't be shy. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe button. I'm still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so we get some money from YouTube. So thanks if you do manage to hit either of those buttons. And right here is what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. Good luck.
Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. How was that?